What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It is Jayla Joy here. If you're new here, hey girl, my name is Jayla. Don't forget to like, comment, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button. So this video is like today is February 8th, Tuesday, February 8th, and about 6 days into Valentine's Day. But I'm celebrating it this weekend. Well, we're celebrating it this weekend. So this is gonna be like a little Valentine's Day prep, maintenance vlog, whatever you want to call it. Maybe a glow up for 2022, even though we about 2 months in. It is a glow up. And let me tell you why. Because for one, we're finna get everything done, obviously. But your girl is finna get these eyebrows done. Peep these eyebrows, bro. Sis, they looking real bushy. And I've been growing them out because they've been getting thin, and I've been going to these ladies that really don't give a fuck about your eyebrows. So I booked with this girl, and she has really good work. So I'm excited to go to her. Hopefully she can work her magic on me the way she's been doing it for these other girls. So I'm excited. I'm really excited. She's a little bit of a drive, but it's worth it. So I'm excited, and I'm gonna get them tinted too. So I'm ready, because you know, if you know, then you know. When you get your eyebrows done, it just brings the whole face together. Like, anyway, so I'm really excited because I've been growing out my eyebrows for like 2 months. That's a very long time. Your girl's gonna hop in the shower because we're limited on time. My appointment is at 10 and it's like almost 9, and she's like a 30-40 minute drive, so I need to hurry up. Your girl just got back from the gym. Woke up a little bit late, so I wasn't really able to work out the way I wanted to, but at least we got some cardio in because we ain't passing up on a workout. But anyways, I will catch you guys when we hit the road.
Really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I can tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big snacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the way. There's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lap every nigga in a race. I really might tap, really stick on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the babe. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love them good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money out of game. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like a sauce in a wax. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. My tie, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word to Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in the crack.
Couple figures kill a star with the lick. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a rack. When you niggas think it's small in the mall with a rack. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get a $500,000 in a sprinter. Phone ring, bitch, you know a big cripple. I got the hook up and it really no limit. Yeah, brothers and you nigga DNA. $6 syndicated with the skate. Little nigga just another state case. Very long motherfucker chase me.
Alright, y'all, so these are how my brows look. They're a little darker than what I like, but I'll probably just wipe some of the tint off. But she did a good job. It looked pretty precise. I'll show you guys more when I get home. But we're about to get, oh, I also got a lip wax too. Oh, my lip looks a little funny, but anyways, we're about to get a wax, a Brazilian wax. So I ain't ready for this. I ain't ready. I'm never ready. I've done got it done a few times, and you'll never get used to it. If you know, then you know. So I just got done with my wax. I was gonna record my reaction, but it just happened so fast and I was trying to focus. Anyways, we're about to get our nails done. So I'm at this place called Lotus Nails and Spa. Your girl hasn't got her nails done in forever, okay? Forever. Look how long they are. I'll catch you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna film in here. We'll see what kind of vibe they're giving. Let me update you on today. So I got my eyebrows done. This is my first time going to this girl, and I actually really liked her. Like, she was real cool. I'm actually thankful for her because I got stuck at a train track, and this train was taking its sweet ass time to go by. So I ended up being like 20 minutes late, but she was real good. Like, she was real sweet about it because she was just like, oh, thank you for communicating, and she was still able to take me even though she had a 10-minute grace period. So thank God, because I was gonna be upset, like driving 30 minutes out and I gotta turn around and go back home with my eyebrows still undone. I would have been hot. But then again, it's like, it's more so it ain't even my fault, because on GPS it said I was going to be on time until we got to that train track. We did like a tint, as you can see, which is a little darker than what I'm used to, so I kind of wiped off a little bit of the tint, but otherwise I'm kind of getting used to it and I actually really like it. I feel like it'll be better once I get my lashes done. Not used to it, I don't know. But anyways, I really liked her. I give her a 10 out of 10. Also got my lip wax. I haven't had my lip waxed in a minute, so I was just like, let me just go ahead and get it done. Also, your girl got her nails done, and this is how they look. Real cute. I got square shape, not coffin this time. And so obviously you see there's French tip on the pointers and the pinkies, and then I got a flower on the ring finger with like a little rhinestone there, and then the thumbs are French tip. So I actually really like them. Like, this is a perfect shape for me. I definitely want to go shorter next time because I want to kind of transition into shorter nails. I feel like they're a little bit more classy. They're easier obviously to work with. So your girl hasn't had nails in like maybe like 4, I can't really, oh, the last time I got my nails done was when I went to New York, which was back in August. So, and that was, so I haven't had my nails done in like 6 months. Yeah. Anyway, so that wraps up this lovely Tuesday. Tomorrow your girl gets her hair done, because as you can see, we looking real bushy and frizzy around here. I'm just getting the regular flat iron, silk press, whatever you want to call it. My signature look. Tomorrow is at 4 o'clock, and then your girl works in the morning. So I'm gonna check back in with you guys tomorrow, probably when we're on our way to our hair appointment. Let me just give you a little bit more nail cam. So we are headed to get our hair done. My hair's looking real wild under here, so you just gonna check this out once we start getting done.
I wanna put your number on the call block. FAOL, make my email stop. Cause you a bugaboo. You bugging what you bugging, who you bugging me, and don't you see it ain't cool. It's not hot that you be calling me, stressing me, paging my beat, but you're just non-stop. And it's not hot that you be leaving me messages every 10 minutes and then you stop by. When I first met you, you were cool, but it was game, you had me fooled. Cause 20 minutes after I gave you my number, you already had my mailbox full. So what? I got a better news, but now I guess you think I owe you. You don't have to call as much as you do. I give them back to be true with you. And so what? I'ma like you. Now I guess you think I will do. Even if you don't say it like you do. I don't really think that you're a bugaboo. You make me wanna push out the window. See, I cut the phone calls, break my lease so I can move. You a bugaboo, a bugaboo, a bugaboo. I wanna put your number on the call line. FAOL, make my email stop. You a bugaboo. You bugging what you bugging, who you bugging me? You don't see it ain't cool. It's not hot. Then when I'm blocking your phone number, you call me over your best friend's house.
And it's not hot that I can't even go out with my girlfriends without you tracking me down. You need to chill out with that mess, cause you can't keep having me stressed. Cause every time my phone rings, it seems to be you, and I'm praying that it is someone else. So what? I thought it very true. But now I think I owe you. Else what you do. I give them back to be through with you. And so what? So what? But now I think even if you say I can do, I don't give a damn cause you're a bugaboo. Cut the phone. So I can't move cause you a bugaboo.
Good morning, y'all. So today is Thursday, February 10th. Your girl just washed her lashes, so they're looking real dull. I washed them with the Stacy Lash shampoo, and it doesn't burn my eyes as much as others, but it still burns just a tad bit. And now I'm about to blow dry, use a wand and blow dry it so it can become more fluffy again. It doesn't have to be too much fluffy because I'm getting them done today. I try to wash my lashes before I go get them done so that they're just clean and I don't have to wash them for a minute once I get them done. Show you guys my hair. I gotta show you guys my hair. I'll probably show you guys once I get ready for the day. Okay, so they're a little bit more natural. They'll look, or a little bit more fluffed out, but they'll look a lot better once we get them done. So my appointment's at 4. Right now it's 11:08. So I'm about to make me some breakfast, straighten up, and then get ready for my day because I'm gonna do a little bit of Valentine's Day shopping. I don't know, like as a kid, my mom will always get me something for Valentine's Day, like a card or some chocolate, teddy bear, like small stuff. So I wanna do that for her, maybe get her like a card and some chocolate. And then of course my boyfriend, clearly. Just look around. I gotta return something from Target and go to the post office. So I'll check back with you guys once we head out. Y'all, so this is how my hair looks. I got a trim about 2 weeks ago. I like that like even look. I'm starting to really like that look because it just makes my hair look a lot more healthy. So I'm gonna start getting my hair trimmed like every 5 weeks, I'll say. So that like we could just cut off the dead ends because them is not cute. So these are my Valentine stuff at the
I was like trying to like
dollar store.
I don't know what I'm doing.
This is cute. Y'all look at these cards. Like this one is so cute. These are cute as well, or like these. Okay, what's up y'all? So I'm headed to get, so I've been doing a little bit of Valentine's Day shopping like I said I was going to. I bought my mom some stuff, my grandma some stuff, my boyfriend. I went to Target in the dollar store and just got like a few things. I'm not done though, but your girl's about to get a car wash because her car's filthy, okay? And I can't have it looking like this, so we just pulled into the car wash.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, die and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it.
y'all, so now I'm just at my lash lady's house. She's running a little behind, so I'm just waiting outside here. I can't wait to get my lashes done. So this is how they look before, and I get like 18s, 20s, and 22s, and maybe a little bit of 23s. I'm not sure, but I think 22s is my biggest. So yeah, and I get mega volume. Okay, we like them real full around here. And then I go every 3 weeks, so I guess my retention's pretty good. That's what she says, but I don't know. After 2 weeks, I'm like, okay, I can't wait to come back. We waiting. I cleaned my car. I had to go around there twice because this like spot that I needed to clean off, it wasn't coming off, and I paid the little $13 one, not the $9 one. So I told her, and she was like, oh, okay, like try this wipe, and this wipe made it come right off, and then she told me to come right back through the car wash. So I got technically 2 car washes, but only paid for 1. Anyways, I'm just gonna sit here and wait until she has me come in. I need to do a little bit of more like Valentine's Day shopping because I need to get my boyfriend a few more things. But I already got my grandma and my mother's stuff. So yeah, but I'm kind of like stuck on what to get my boyfriend. Like I just made him like a basket last year the day, and it was real cute, and I don't want to do the same thing I did last year this year. So like I need to like spice it up. What else to talk about? Oh, let me tell you about what I'm doing this Valentine's Day weekend. Well, I don't even know, to be honest with you. My boyfriend's just like, oh, you're gonna have to meet me there. And I'm like, meet you there? I'm like, what? I'm like, okay, you need to tell me the attire because I need to come prepared. So I'm excited. He always be surprising me, so I'm excited to see what he got planned this year. Because I'm like, I told him, I was like, I hope you made a reservation if you talk about dinner, because stuff is packed and booked. So if you think we're about to just walk up wherever, it ain't gonna work like that. So I think he knows. He knows. So I want to check in and show you guys my lashes. It's the next day, Friday. I love my lashes. They're looking real full and wispy. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and end this vlog because I want to film another weekend vlog, but Valentine's Day edition. Stay tuned for that. So yeah, I'll check out. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.